In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete a Jira task. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Jira and then log into your account. Once from here, you'll need to go over to your specific place that you have created this task that you want to delete. And from here, you'll simply need to go over to the left-hand corner, choose the specific project, and from here you'll need to find the specific task. So from here, I would like to delete this test task that I have previously created as an accident. And to delete it, you'll simply need to go over to these three dots over here called More Actions. And from here, the first option should be Delete. Once from here, you'll be able to go over and click Delete or Archive Email 8, and you'll just need to type Delete to continue, like so. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Delete, and then as you can see now, the task has been successfully deleted. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!